Agriculture economy. Plants in the Canada's field, fisheries and farms, organized animal produce a wide variety of crops, livestock, food, feed, fiber, fuel, and other materials that depends on the geography of the province. In 2001, the number of the farms is on 676 acres, 2.74 kilometers along, was 246,923 as food and fiber preparation for human and or livestock has occurred in the most central industrial ways. Canadian farmers received a record 36.3 billion in livestock crops sales and program payments in 2001. In 2001, farm operators income from farm production stood as 1,633 millions, which is 0.147% of Canada's gross domestic product at the market prices at a 1,108 to 200 millions. Fishing is also playing an important role while forestry has a secondary role. Canadian evolution has abundant tolerance techniques and now sees only 3% of Canada's population employed as a machine industries farmer capable of exporting, and the remaining population of 30,689,000 people to foreign markets are on January 1st, 2007. The population was 32,700. 300 traders trade marketing and economic mobility of the Canada's various agriculture communities has been a challenge. Domestic trade supplies goods to the province and internationally in Canada. Support agencies and their services such as storage, railways, warehouses, stores, banking institutions all affects domestic businesses. Wheat trade from Canada's prairies is overseen by the Canada Wheat Board. Canada May 1882 to 1897 depression increased by at least 64% per bushels by 1893. Thousands of the residents were cancelled during the Laurier's administration. During the World War I, wheat prices went up, and in 1928, Canada exported large quantities of wheat, flour, and goods. Depression on Canada's Igerfield it when 40% of their 1928 exports sunk. The need to import Canadian wheat to European market ended as they began to grow their varieties, and after that World War II events prevented European market from the trading and the country. After World War II, Britain contracted large quantities of the agriculture commodities such as bacon, cheese, wheat, or barley. After the UK, United States is Canada largest foreign traders partners between 1943 to 1953. Canada average wheat exports was 347 200,000 bushels, 9,44,900 tons in the 3 years. International Treaty of 1955, which lasted for 6 years. Germany import 44, including Japan and Japan out of the 28 countries, including wheat or flour exports. Belgium, the UK, and the Netherlands. Agribusinesses are food and fiber preparation and processing activities that are not part of the field work. This include the preparation of the farm equipment and fertilizers that will assist in the production of the farm. The agribusinesses also includes farms that purchase new materials from the farms for further processing. The meat, baking industries, flour mills, and canning industries will be integrated into the processing farm product in the agribusinesses sector. The area of the recent growth in agribusinesses is the arrival of the organized farm investment funds working on the direct land ownership model with the renting to farmer operators.